So I'm just going to keep rolling. Some of it I might edit out, some of it I might not even play, so just see how far. So I'm just going to put the 4 gig of RAM in. In fact, no, I'm going to put the chip in first, I think. So this is the new one. You can get to see that. Core i5. It's a 3570K, so it's overclocking. I'm going to do overclocking initially. I'm just going to set up and be happy with it, and then I'm going to read up on overclocking. So that's basically the processor. So we're going to be really careful not to touch it. So let's get it out of the box. Scissors. Okay, these are going to come out of the box. There we go. Okay, so they're the pointed corners. So, and the grooves are at the side. So if you just get in this, just see them in here. So the point goes in there, and the 2 grooves at the side. So it's actually just going to fit on the top, like that. Okay. So very carefully, just touching the edge of the motherboard, pushing, sliding them out, taking this cover off. Okay. Goes on the top, bringing them up. Which I'm going to discharge again, just in case. I want to try and minimise completely how I touch this thing. Okay, pin them up. The corners, you really need fingernails for this. Okay, I'm just going to have to slide him out like that. Touch him at the corners. Plop them on. In the 2 grooves, and this comes back down, slides underneath, then very slight pressure. It goes back on. That's what I've done. Now we're going to put the stock cooler on, and what we're going to do is make sure we have the wire available for the fan. So the CPU fan is here, and I don't want it rubbing against the thing, so it's actually a loop at the side, and put the wires through. So I think I'm going to house him like this. Yep. Now, remembering to put these in diagonally, and these push pins just slide down through the board. So if I do him first, yeah, then I'll do the other one, this one in the corner. Okay, the normal plate. Well, okay, so I'm going. Why doesn't he want to go in? Those arrows are all on the outside, so I'm guessing it's in the right position. I just need a bit of help. Stiff. The board. It's coming through, but it's not quite through. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that too much. It's pretty on. Probably just needs a bit of pressure later on. Wait till it's in the actual chassis to do that, I think. Okay, mostly through. I don't know if you can see that properly, but you can actually see the pins coming through there. And if I wanted to take these out, I just turn them in the direction of the arrows and then press them so they'd be loose again. But that's this particular fan. You need to consult your own manual to make sure you're doing it right. Okay, CPU on. I'm going to put him nearest the CPU. Yeah. Now, pushing them down at the sides. This is really click that side and click that side. So we're ready for a quick test. Area. This is on, CPU's in, got a frame. No, I've got a frame. Okay, I'm just going to move it in. Put it on. And we have a light on the board, so everything's in, everything's on. Test 154F7299A0. So that's the BIOS, waiting for the BIOS. So quite happy with that. Fans working, lights on. That's really good. Switch them off. Switch the power off. Take the cable out. So we're all ready to set up. Excellent.